Hello everyone, this printer is Canon PIXMA TS3150 or 3100 series. I want to show you how to load photo paper. This is 4x6 or 10x15 centimeter, and also we're going to load A4 paper. To load 4x6 photo paper, take decent amount of the paper you want to use. You need to make sure the printable area need to face up. So go to the rear paper tray, put the paper on the right corner of the rear paper tray. Printable area need to face up. Then adjust this paper guide all the way. So this is how to load 4x6. Then you also need to press this button, paper select button, press it, keep pressing it until you reach to the 4x6 kg 4x6 or 10x15 centimeter. Then you select OK. So this is how to load 4x6 photo paper. Now I want us to load A4 paper. Going to remove this. So to load A4 paper, take decent amount, go to the rear paper tray, load the paper. This is A4 paper. Then adjust this paper guide. This is how to load A4, and also press this button to select A4 on the screen. Will show you A4, then select OK to confirm the paper. So this is how to load paper you want to use. If you are loading different paper, you need to select this button to go to specific paper. Just need to keep an eye on the screen. It will show you various size of the paper. Once you get to the particular paper you are using, then select OK to confirm it. So this is how to load paper specialty A4 and 4x6. Please do me a favor, like, share, and subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you.